Got the bread pudding. Got ourselves the Werther's oatmeal cookie.
Make my job easy. I wasn't going to answer you. I'll go on. Watch your step. Please stay seated at all.
Keep going. So the Caribbean. At Caribbean Beach, you got to get off and get on a different trip. Let's do this. Are we going to Pop Century at the bar?
Yeah, we're going.
This is what we got from Somerset. Got the bread pudding. Look at this thing. Wow. It's made with pretzels from Germany. Icing and caramel. Oh my god, it's gonna be amazing. Look inside there. Look how moist it is. Layers of flavor, cinnamon, spice, and that cream cheese, caramel icing on top. Oh my god. Alright, we're in Germany. We got the pretzel bread pudding. I've heard amazing things. Showed you it looks amazing. Oh my god. It's so soft. There's just little crunches of pretzel inside that just didn't get the milk and eggs. Oh my god. This sauce is sweet, but it's not overpowering. You can cut it so easily. Talk about the bread pudding we had the other day. We've been on a bread pudding barbecue kick, but this just blows it away. Germany, Somerset. Doing something right. tried to get a virtual queue for Guardians of the Galaxy. We did not. So we're 1 for 2. Anyways, we got the oat milk cookie from Werther's, but it's a caramel apple cookie, and there's a bug that keeps wanting to get on there. Let's give this a try. First, it's a little dry. I thought this place would be a hit no matter what. Not great. Don't get it. Werther's oat milk cookie. Not good. Oh boy.
Yeah, there is. I see it. Yeah.
Getting hit by a massive
Look, there's Mickey Mouse.
swarm.
Oh, look it.
Schoolfish.
It's the rocks.
Oh, look at the one.